First go to your browser, then type www.chemexacademy.com, then press enter. Then you log into the website. So in the right hand top you will see online academy LMS and online LMS. You can click any of those. Then you will log into the LMS site. Then in the right hand top you might see sign in. Click sign in. Then you will have to create an account. Press click. Then you will have to put your email address. For example, I'll take an email. at gmail.com. You need to select your country code, which is +94 if it's Sri Lanka. Then I'll type my number. Then you need to type your first name and then last name, and then you have to set up your own password. After finishing that, you can click sign up. After signing up, you can type your email address, which I put as student3@gmail.com, and type your password to login. Okay, now you are set up with Chemex Academy.